a small crack, but it hides a great danger within. Neglect and faulty construction are slowly weakening the entire structure. One mistake, and in an instant, it's all over. Never take structural weakness lightly. Awareness in construction can save lives. Safe construction is the only solution.
Two superpowers, two approaches to building the future. Let's compare the construction giants, the USA and China. In the USA, the focus is on meticulous planning and stringent safety protocols. Every detail is verified before moving forward. In China, the game is speed. Prefabricated modules are assembled off-site and slotted into place, accelerating the build process exponentially. Here, slow and steady wins the race. Rigorous inspections guarantee long-term structural integrity and adherence to strict standards. While on the other side, innovation and scale allow for a building to seemingly grow before your eyes. A testament to rapid execution, different methods, different priorities. Both building the skylines of tomorrow, each in their own remarkable way.
A simple bricklaying job, but hidden within is a major risk. Incorrect cement ratio, weak bonding, and no structural support. This small mistake can bring a terrible disaster in an instant.
A symbol of progress. But what unseen dangers lurk within the structure? Cut corners in materials and poor execution create a ticking time bomb. It starts with a single failure. In seconds, chaos erupts. Safety isn't optional. It's the foundation of every structure.
From the ground up, watch a critical infrastructure project take shape in stunning detail. Precision defines the foundation. Every layer is carefully prepared for lasting stability. Reinforcement and careful casting lay the groundwork for a structure built to last. The final structural piece is set, completing the culvert's main frame with precision engineering. The finishing touches seamlessly integrate the new culvert into the surrounding landscape. Testament to modern construction, where infrastructure meets nature, enhancing connectivity for all.
Tucked alongside the endless energy of the city, there stands a vision of modernity, a building whose intelligent design and glass facade catch the eye from miles away. It's all in the details. Expansive windows, premium finishes, and an open space design that fosters connection and collaboration. At street level, it's a hub of activity where commerce thrives and the city's pulse is felt strongest. As dusk falls, the building awakens with smart LED lighting, adding a new layer of beauty and identity to the city's night. This isn't just construction, it's a new icon, a smarter, more sustainable heart of the city.
From an idea on paper to a structure standing tall, it all begins with a vision and a solid plan. The foundation is everything. Precision in every dig, every rod, and every pour lays the groundwork for success. Watch the skeleton take shape. In a dance of steel and concrete, the building rises, level by level. The walls define the space, every brick placed with care, every surface smoothed, crafting the building's character. It's the details that bring it to life. The pulse of electricity, the flow of water, and the final touches of color and texture. Vision realized, a testament to hard work and precision. From the ground up, a home is built.